What's up YouTube? It's your girl Sophia, RSVP. I'm back with a new video and I want to show you some new arrivals. We're quickly moving into spring, thank God, because I'm so sick of winter. So I have some items that I'm going to show you that I'm so excited about having in the boutique. If you're interested in seeing all the new pieces, then keep on watching. So the first item I want to show you is by a brand called Lamarque. It's a Canadian brand and it's this gorgeous camouflage-like print bodysuit. I'm so in love with this, you guys. The colors scream spring. Cut on a slight V, and it's a thong bodysuit, so easy to wear with any bottom. But what I really love is that this cut is really timeless. It has a little snap right here, which sometimes you need it because of cleavage so that it looks appropriate. So I like that. You don't have to pin it. But this comes in small, medium, and large, and it is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. It's called the Fala Print Camo Bodysuit. I love this, you guys. So the next item I want to show you actually goes perfectly with the bodysuit, and it's called the Haze Mini Skirt. My lighting is going to get a little bit flushed right now, but this color is a very dusty pink, baby pink. And this is 100% patent leather. Guys, the two of these together is so stunning. I'm in love with this skirt. I'm in love with anything patent leather. But I love this skirt because it is like the perfect length. It has two zippers at the front and very easy to get into because it also has a two-way zipper in the back. This is a classic skirt for Lamarque. I think last year they did the same skirt in a metallic silver leather, and it was awesome. And this one comes in like size 2, 4, 6, 8, and I believe maybe the biggest size is a 10 or a 12. I'll put that down below for you guys. But this is the Haze skirt from Lamarque. It is absolutely stunning. And with the bodysuit, it is everything, you guys. For anyone that loves a slip dress. It's also a Lamarque piece, but it is, I don't even know what to tell you guys. It's a slip dress, but it's 100% leather. What is this one called? It's called the Chanel Women's Leather Slip Dress. And this one comes also 2, 4, 6, 8. Guys, this is everything. Look at the straps. The straps are chains. You can do it in a casual look. With an ankle boot, it will look sexy. With fishnets and heels, it will look sexy. But this is such a staple item to have in your closet. Like, you cannot go wrong when you have like a gorgeous slip dress like this. I did end up getting another slip dress, but it's velvet, and I feel like these just never go out of style. I have a lot of customers that wear a lot of slip dresses like this. But I love this one. It has a little bit of detail. This little strap will sit right on the top of your bust. And then the real detail is that it has like a crisscross open back that dips really low. So like right where you might have a little bit of bum cleavage, I think, is where this cut sits. I should have done a try on for you guys, but I didn't really have a lot of time. I wanted to get this video up really quickly so you guys could see what's new. But this comes in a small, medium, and large. And again, it's a beautiful like taupey color velvet. The color you can't go wrong with, and I love this slip dress. It's super cute. Well, I picked up another dress that I thought would be perfect for the boutique, perfect for people that want to add some timeless pieces to their wardrobe. This one is my next favorite. I'm so excited to show you guys how I style this. This one is like a python print dress. It has a very deep V, but the beautiful part of this dress is that it's cut like a caftan or what do you call it, a kimono, and it has an elastic waist, so you can belt it if you're thin and you want to show your waist. But one of the great things about this dress is if you do have a pouch or a little bit of a stomach that you're shy about, it does have ruching, so it will camouflage your stomach. It's like a ruffle almost, and a little bit of ruching. This is awesome. It comes in small, medium, and large. And this you can wear so many ways. Oh my God, like tomorrow I'm not wearing it as a typical dress. So hopefully I'll be able to get a picture for you guys. But love this. And yeah, you gotta try it on. It looks awesome with a belt. As soon as I saw it, I got a little bit of a Chanel vibe. And one of the things that drew my attention to this was that it has pearl buttons. So I feel like that's super cute. And if you look at the weave, it's like different blues, a little bit of pink, white, gray, and like a metallic silver that goes through it. It is perfect for right now, a little heavy for spring, but I got this because I also feel like this is a timeless piece. You can throw it on with a pair of jeans and a white t-shirt, or you can obviously dress it up for the office. But I love this. I think it's such a nice color. I think it goes with everything. The cut and everything is really nice, and it just has a really pretty feminine look about it. A small, medium, and extra small, medium, and large. So the last item I want to show you was probably the most anticipated new arrival I was getting this week. I posted it in my story and everyone started asking me about it, and it's this cheetah print duster. It comes in small, medium, and large, and it actually comes in 2 different colors, but the second color will arrive next month, which is gray. But this is a classic cheetah print. The way that everybody's wearing these now, summer will be here soon, and you can throw this on over some biker shorts, a little crop top, and that looks super cute. You can dress it up, wear it with jeans and a tee. You can do a lot with this piece. I love it. For like over $100 on the Akira website that sold out, and this was probably the most closest thing that I could find to the quality of the Akira one and the look. The cheetah print is like beautiful, it's perfect. It's piped with a little bit of black, although I wish they piped the sleeve, but the little bit of black is good here, and you have the black belt. So again, this comes in small, medium, and large. That's it for the new arrivals for this week. I'll come back to you guys with some new stuff next week. I also got a ton of jewelry in that I posted a video for a couple days ago, so check that out. Thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow the boutique on Instagram. It's 988 Concept, especially because that's where I post everything as soon as we get it in. My personal Instagram, Sophia RSVP. Like and share this video. Give me a thumbs up for my new arrivals video. I'll probably come back to you guys next week with some other stuff that's new. If you were wondering about this jacket is from 988. It's from last year. I've been trying to get my hands on it because someone saw me wearing it, and I get a lot of people asking me about it. As far as I know, it's not available anymore, but I'm definitely checking all my vendors. It's a patent leather biker jacket with gold trim. It came in small, medium, and large. And I'm definitely trying to find it for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.